expectation and experience. Every day starts with expectation and the day ends with some experience. This is the life. So you have to enjoy the day. For to get that enjoyment, you have to utilize the day in a proper way. 100% utilization is most important. By doing, planning, preparation and presentation, you can achieve this thing and you can make utilization of 100%. You should not waste your day. It never comes back. In your daily routine works, make proper planning and assign the works in a proper scheduled way. Then you feel very comfort to do and to finish all those works in a smooth manner. By applying these things in your routine works, your life will be smooth, your expectations will be fulfilled, you will get good and nice experience that improves your physical and mental happiness. This is most important in everybody's life. Always try to reach your goal. For to reach that one, you have to work hard. Always in a positive way. Anything happens is for a good reason. Anything that does not happens for a better reason. Trust these words. You can love your life. Life is a God's gift. We have to use in a proper and better way to reach better position in your life. Whatever happens in your life, whether it is positive or negative, don't worry. Always choose positive things. You can improve your positive attitude by applying this one. Your health is in a good position. You are always in a active mode, enthusiastic. Your strength improves a lot. Don't choose negative attitude. This affects your life. If anything comes negative in your life, make it into positive way. You have to balance both. That ability and skill you have to develop in your life. This is most important in human life. We should not discourage it in any situation. For every problem, there is a solution. Only thing, you have to find out that solution. Mind is nothing. Traffic of thoughts. Always choose your route carefully. Always choose the positive mode, not negative mode. For to build positive mode and positive thinking and positive attitude, you have to practice some meditation and yoga. For to keep your brain always in a active way. By doing some exercises, your body also in a good position. If body and mind are in a good position, you will get good thoughts and positive thoughts. With these positive thoughts, you can achieve anything and you can succeed in your life. That gives more happiness. Your life becomes good, better and best way. You have to choose and filter yourself. Day never comes back. Life is very short. Each and every moment you have to enjoy and make utilization of 100%. For all your works, make proper planning. Then only without stress you can do all those things in a happy and smooth manner. It improves your beauty. External beauty is attracts others, but if you inbuilt your internal beauty, it captures others' brain. For to do all these things, what we need? Patience. We cannot buy with money. You have to practice yourself. A man who is master of patience is a man is master of everything. That is the life. Always be positive, be energetic, be strong, be enthusiastic, and be healthy also. If you follow, apply, and implement in your life, definitely success is in your step. For to fulfill your expectations, you have to follow all these small tips to get good, better and best results. You can experience nicely. Thank you.